Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to show you Prince of Persia on RISC-V. And I know that this should be possible because I already played Prince of Persia with Batocera on the VisionFive 2. But I can imagine that not every RISC-V board has access to Batocera. So I will show you how to build it from source. So this is the website Prince of Persia Original Trilogy modding community. Now the mods are beyond the scope of this video, but I'd say feel free to check out the video and some of the mods. But to build it from source, you can go to the GitHub page and you have to install libsdl image dev. So I'm on a Debian-based distribution, and then you have to get the code, git clone, and then this URL, and then you have to go into the directory and go to the source directory. So here you can see that we're running with the Linux 6.12.5*5 kernel, and that way you can see that we're running on a VisionFive 2. Now, like I said, you have to go into the SDLPoP directory and then the source directory, and then you can do make all. And well, if you want to, you can also do sudo make install. And once that is done, then you can go one directory up and you should be able to start the game. So I'll just let it play the intro, and I'll put in a chapter marker so you can skip to the gameplay. So this is the intro. So I'm just playing with the keyboard at the moment. Oops. I think I have to get the sword. Oops. Oh well, I guess it's probably better to play it with a controller. But I guess you get the idea of this game, and it's good to see that you can also play it on RISC-V. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.